What's up, guys? So we are back with a new series called What You Coulda Got. Today we're going to be checking out some of the live auctions around the United States, not just in one state particularly. So today we have a bunch of vehicles that me personally, I would have probably bought if I was interested in buying something right now at this moment. So let's check them out and see what we got here. Maybe one of you guys won one of these cars or something. First on our list, we have a 2005 Pontiac GTO with 83,000 miles. We're here in North Carolina in Raleigh at the Copart there. This one in particular has a manual transmission 6.0 motor instead of the 5.7s. So this is something that I will be interested in. It says it has water flood damage. It's a LS motor, so it shouldn't be too bad to get it back going. I believe it is running dry. And you have the estimated retail value is about $12,000. You guys tell me in the comments, what do you think it'll go for? It's at $4,000 right now. We're only looking at pure sale vehicles today, guys. We're looking at this 2017 Nissan Sentra. It has 10,000 miles, water and flood damage, no other body damage or anything crazy like that. Nissans are usually pretty good vehicles all around. They're pretty reliable. This is something that I would think might be going for around $8,000 or so. We have a 2018 Nissan Sentra S, 5,000 miles. The retail on that is about 14 grand, right under 15. Water and flood damage as well. If you go back, you see the water level here. So it doesn't look like it got too far up, but then again, that is pretty high. So you'll just have to be cautious about that on what you want to get yourself into. Now, this is something I would really enjoy getting. It's a 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. It's the 4-door, it's lifted a little bit, or just the tires are really nice. It makes it look really nice. I like the stance on it. This one is water and flood damage. Water and flood on a Jeep, it's not bad at all. Like, this is what they're made for. And this is a manual transmission, 4x4, only 43,000 miles. That's a nice looking truck. It's already at 9,700. I'm only trying to do cars under 10,000, but I just wanted to show you guys what you might be able to get if you spend a little bit more. 2014 Mercedes-Benz C250, no body damage, water and flood. Any Mercedes-Benz pretty much 2014 and up, I'd be interested in. I like the new steering wheels on those models. This one only has 64,000 miles. It's worth about 16. The bid right now is at 5,300. However, I'm thinking it's gonna go around 71. We have a 2010 Jeep Wrangler. This one looks pretty mean green. It looks like this one is water flood damage as well. It looks like this guy had a bunch of stuff on his car. He really enjoyed it. And it looks like that green is just a wrap, because if you go back, you see the inside of the door is actually white. So I'm thinking this truck is white under it. Looks like he had his own wheels on there because he took the back wheel off. The estimated retail is 22,000. It's only at 6,700 right now. And here we're in Michigan. Now this right here is what I would really get. It's a 2017 Charger, 392. It's the RT package. It's not the Hellcat, but it does still look cool. It has the suede interior and all that good stuff. And so if you're in Detroit, hope one of your buddies got this nice Charger. It's only at 14 grand right now. This is front end damage, couple fenders, nothing major at all. If you're down south in Tennessee, you might want to check this bad boy out. Well, this video will be out too late, but I hope you got dibs on this and had your antennas up, because this thing will be an easy fix too. This is a nice Ford Mustang. It has 34,000 miles on it. Front end damage, engine and everything is still great under there. Just need a new windshield, some suspension work maybe. Light manual transmission, that's a good deal. It's only at 10.6 right now. Also in Tennessee, in the Knoxville area, you have this 2016 Porsche Panamera. Now I know this might look kind of crazy, but the whole front is just like pieces. It's not nothing major at all. If you look around, the whole body is nice. It has the new taillights, not like those old 2010 Panamera taillights. It has the chocolate brown interior. Motor looks okay. Might need some front accessories. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I'm so used to the LS motors, so I don't know. But it runs and drives. Looks like it could be an easy fix, honestly. It's only at $12,700 right now. I'm thinking this might go for about 17. This is in Georgia, in Tifton, Georgia. We have a Chevy SS here. It's a 2015. Now this thing is like a sleeper right here. It's only at 6,100 right now. I'm thinking it's gonna go for like right at 11, if that. It's gonna need some suspension work, lower control arms possibly, but this thing is a beast, I already know. Well, it has the engine start program, but you see why it doesn't run and drive. So that's an easy fix, like that's nothing. So we'll check this out. I'm really interested in this thing. This one here is in Virginia. Here we have a GS 350 2015 body style. This one is something I really want so bad. It looks so nice. Has front end damage, couple airbags blown out. You'll need 3 airbags, but I mean, if you get it for a good price, what's airbags, right? It's only at $8,300 right now. This is a decent car. The interior looks great too. We have a 2011 BMW 528i. It has 93,000 miles. This one is minor dents and scratches, salvage title. So this one was probably repaired already. Being that, it's only at 4,100 right now. So I'm really curious to see what this is gonna go for. I'm thinking it's gonna go for about 62 at most, maybe not even that. That's in North Carolina as well. Now, if you wanna hang out with me on the West Coast, you can always grab this Camaro in North Carolina. It's a SS, it's a manual, so it's the real LS3. Has a different interior. I've seen it about one time, I think. Nice interior though. 88,000 miles. Looks like you'll just need a windshield. Like, I would be interested in grabbing that. It's only at 5,600 right now, so I'm thinking that's gonna go for about 74. If you're in the Atlanta area and you want a little bit of luxury, you could have always got this 2010 Jaguar XF Luxury Edition. It's really clean around the car. Looks like you just need a fender here, new light. Maybe you can save the bumper, but I'm pretty sure you're gonna need a bumper and repaint, some lower control arms, some type of suspension work here, and you will be back in the game. That one's only at 2150 right now, so that one's gonna be I'm really curious to see that. And it says it's some rear damage right in here. That doesn't look like nothing to me at all. Our first car that we're gonna be checking out is the green 2010 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited with 90,000 miles. Let's see what it goes for. 7,000. My guess is like 81. No, my guess is gonna be about 11.1. Wow, this thing is about to go for cheap. Okay, and to the right, we also have our 2017 Charger. It's the RT. So this is what you could have got. You could have got a 2010 Jeep Wrangler Sport with 90,000 miles for $8,300. Now this thing is lifted. Looks like the previous owner had wheels on it. That's why it's so like much of a space gap. So I'm thinking you can easily buy some wheels and tires and throw them on there and it'll look like a complete beast. $8,300 for that. It's a salvage title from water and flood, but it's worth 22 grand. So you can easily do whatever it needs to take to get this fixed. And you see under it, it has shocks and all that. So this thing is a good deal at $8,300. The Charger's gonna go for 16.5. What do you guys think the 392 Charger will go for with 15,000 miles? Too late. Went for 16.7. You could have got a 2017 Dodge Charger RT 392 for $16,700. Now this thing, it says it has rear damage, which honestly doesn't even look that bad. You can probably slap most of that stuff right back on, but the motor looks great. It's only 15,000 miles. This thing will be a beast. For $16,700, you could have had this. Let's see what the 2013 Jeep goes for on the far left. What do you guys think? What will it go for? Will it go for under 12? Wow, that thing went for 11.9. You could have got a 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport with 43,000 miles. Nice little lift kit looks like, with some nice wheels and tires on it. No outside damage of any sort. It's water and flood damage, but it's a Jeep, so I doubt it's anything really wrong with it. This thing looks like a beast, and for the price, you just can't beat it. Let's see what this 6-speed GTO goes for. Comment right now. Comment right now before it sells. Comment. 5,700. No way. That's a really good deal for that car. Wow, didn't nobody even budge on it. $5,700. So if you were looking for a 2005 Pontiac GTO, you would have been able to win this one for $5,700. It's a 6-speed 6.0 liter with 83,000 miles, runs and drives, and it has water flood damage. This is an easy fix if it needs fixing. This shouldn't be much work at all. This was a great deal. What do you guys think? Was it a great deal, or did they overpay for it? You see the water level here? What do you think? I don't know. I think they still got a good deal. What do you guys think it's gonna go for? I really like this car. This is something I would really get. $9,500. Wow, that thing sold for $9,500. I'm so hurt right now. Now I'm so upset about this one. I really would have got this one. I really like this car, and it's the F Sport. It's really great. This is a 2015 Lexus GS 350. It sold for $9,500. It's front end damage. It's not too bad, but you see you're gonna need like three airbags, well, 4 airbags. Then it looks like the seat belts are stuck. But all around, it's a nice car. I'm sure it runs and drives great. It's only 57K on the dash. For $9,500, you can't beat that. That's like a $30,000 car. Let's check out Atlanta. Let's check out that 2010 Jaguar. Told you this thing will go really cheap. Let's just see how cheap it'll go. It's only got 93,000 miles. I'm gonna go $3,200. That's my guess. What? It won't even get to 32? That's a pretty good deal. $2,850. Wow. Now, if you were in the Atlanta area, you probably could have won this car. This car sold for $2,950. This is a 2010 Jaguar XF Luxury with only 93,000 miles. And it looks like you're gonna need a little bit of suspension work here, fender as well, and then a light. Maybe you can save the hood, but give or take, and a bumper. That's not a bad fix at all. That's an easy fix. Look at the rest of the car though. I don't know why I get the feeling that the photographer, whoever took the pictures of this car for Copart, is the one that won it, because he got the car looking so nice in that sunset picture right there. Let's see what the 2017 Charger goes for. It's in Detroit. The other one went for like 16. I'm gonna say about 15.6. 15 grand for the 2017 Charger with 21,000 miles. 15.1. Wow. This Charger here you could have got for $15,100. It's a 2017 RT 392 package with 21,000 miles. It's in Detroit. This thing right here would be an easy fix. It's a really nice car. You would only need, like, looking at it, a fender, a light, maybe a new wheel, because this one might be cracked, unless you might just need a tire, who knows. But the other side looks flawless. You're gonna need some exhaust work, but the inside looks great. No airbag damage. For 21,000 miles, 15 grand isn't that bad for this car. Let's see what the 2016 Porsche Panamera goes for. 15.6. I'm thinking about 18.3. Wow. 16? 16.2. What do you guys think? Wow. 16.3. Oh, it's getting close. Wow, $16,400 for the Porsche Panamera. If you were in a market for a 2016 Porsche Panamera 2, you could have got this one for $16,400. This thing sold just now. Oh my God, and this is a good deal. It has 44,000 miles. The front is completely off. You're gonna need a whole complete new front clip, but luckily the ones from 2010, they have the same front clip and everything, so finding one shouldn't be too bad. That's all you really need on this car. The back is the only part that's different on that car. Has the chocolate brown interior. This thing looks so nice. And I would have definitely got this for 16 grand. I wouldn't even budge. This would have been a great deal for me. Let's see, 2018 with 5,000 miles. Wow, let's see, what do you guys think? I'm gonna go 81. Wow, $5,700. Wow, $5,800 for a 2018 with 5,000 miles. You could have got this 2018 Nissan Sentra S with only 5,000 miles for $5,800, dude. This thing is an all-around good car. Look at the body. It's nothing wrong at all with the body. The body is in complete good shape. However, it is a water and flood damage vehicle, and there's the water line. So it wasn't up too high, but it was there. Still, a 2018 for only $5,800, that's a great deal if you ask me. Now, if you wanted a 2017 Nissan Sentra, you would have probably been able to grab this one at 10,000 miles. The other one went for 57, and it looks like this one is gonna sell for $5,100. Wow, that's a steal, dude. Now, you guys seen how much the 2018 sold for. You could only guess that this one sold for less than that. This thing sold for $5,100. It's a 2017 with only 10,000 miles. It has a water and flood damage, but this thing, if you look at it, it looks really great. All around good car. It looks really clean. I would hop in this in a second. Only 10,000 miles. You can always tour this thing out. See where the water level is. It wasn't even that high. That was a great deal. Whoever bought that, that's a steal. Let's see what you would have got the 2016 Ford Mustang for. It's already at 14 grand. I'm gonna go no more than 15. I stand corrected. What do you guys think it's gonna go for? Or what did you think it was gonna go for? Yeah, they pay. So if you're into the whole goon squad thing, you could have been just like them and got a 2016 Ford Mustang GT. You would have paid $15,800. From the looks of it, you're gonna need a windshield, some suspension work, some fenders, side mirrors. Other than that, it looks pretty fair. It doesn't look like a bad fix for this one at all. That's a pretty good deal for 30,000 miles. That's a really good deal. 15.8, that's not bad at all. The 2015 Chevrolet SS with 20,000 miles. And this right here is an easy fix. It has the engine and start program. Wow, 8,100 bucks. Oh my God. All right, guys. So this to me will be considered the steal of the day. A 2015 Chevy SS with only 20,000 miles. It starts, but it doesn't drive because you see it has something wrong with the suspension. Oh yeah, look at that. So this thing right here is sold for $8,100. This car is worth $33,000. Oh my God, I would have wanted this so bad. Has the same exact motor as my Camaro. This thing is so nice, dude. I would have bought that in a heartbeat. Let's see what this 2014 Mercedes C250 goes for with 64,000 miles. Has water and flood damage, but it runs and drives. Wow, $5,800. So you have a 2014 Mercedes-Benz C250. You could have got this one for $5,800. Water and flood damage. However, the body and everything outside looks great and it runs and drives, so it shouldn't be too much of a hassle. 64,000 miles, you can't beat that. Oh man, I would have grabbed that thing. 5,800 bucks, dude. This is something I would have got. This is something that I've been wanting to find. This might have been the perfect one. This is a 2011 BMW 528 with 93,000 miles. Salvage title, of course, from minor dents and scratches. Who knows what it's really salvaged from, but for $6,300, you couldn't beat this deal. That's a good deal right there. Now I didn't get to record this one, but this one sold for $6,500 as well, and that's a really cheap deal for this car. It's a 2010 Camaro SS with only 88,000 miles. It has a really cool interior. It's actually 6-speed too, so it's the authentic LS3. It says it has front end damage, which is only this window right here, and it's from a insurance company, so that's always a plus. This is another one I didn't get a chance to video the bid, but this one did sell for $8,100. It is a 2015 GMC Sierra with only 100,000 miles, water and flood damage. It runs and drives. You can see the water level right there wasn't too bad. It had wheels on it because he has the old GMC tires on there, so I'm suggesting he has some XDs or something like that. But this would have been a nice buy for $8,100. Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. I hope you liked this episode of What You Coulda Got. We're pretty much following multiple auctions around the country on pure sale vehicles to see what you could have got while you weren't ready to buy. Let me know how accurate you were and did you get any of your guesses right. Catch me next time later on in the week where we'll be putting out another video similar to this on what you could have got. Also, as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe over there. You know, hit all those buttons, click the notification button. Let's get these subscribers up. But in the meantime, catch you in the next one. Peace.